Welcome to the Weather Centre. As we start to wrap up the work week, we're expecting some morning drizzle along the southern Cape Coast, but with things rapidly clearing out from the west, resulting in a mostly sunny and warm day over the western part of South Africa. It'll be a fine and dry day over the central interior with lots of sunshine on Friday, but with a few thundershowers still expected over the northeastern and eastern parts. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see that chance of morning drizzle along the south coast with scattered thundershowers and showers over parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, isolated as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, and a slight possibility of thundershowers over parts of the Eastern Cape as well as Gauteng. It's a warm day for Gauteng with maximums in the upper 20s, 30 degrees for Uppington, Mahikeng and Polokwane, 28 for Bombela, 27 as we head into Richards Bay and Graaff-Reinet, 23 degrees along the coast between George and East London, and in the mid-20s over the western part of the country. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see a fresh southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay with moderate beach conditions, with a 20 km per hour south-southwesterly wind for Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay, moderate southerly wind for Langebaan, and along the west coast we're expecting a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell with a wave period of 8 seconds, but with a long wave period late in the afternoon. In the southwest we're expecting good beach conditions on Friday with a southwesterly wind, but more of a southerly component to that wind on the Cape Town Atlantic side, and more of a westerly as we head towards Hermanus with a light westerly wind forecast for Cape Agulhas. And in the southwest we're expecting a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell with a wave period of 11 seconds. Along the south coast, good beach conditions are expected for most of the day for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, except for that light morning drizzle. We're expecting a light to moderate south-southwesterly wind in the morning, more of a southeaster in the afternoon, with fresh southwesterly winds for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth and moderate beach conditions there with a 2 metre southwesterly swell. Along the east coast, strong winds are forecast for Richards Bay, so poor beach conditions there with a 25 km per hour southwesterly wind for the Wild Coast and Durban. Fresh southwesterly winds are expected for East London, and along the east coast we're expecting a 2 metre southeasterly swell with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Friday.